Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar did attempt to rally overnight with the unemployment figure coming in lower from 5.9 to 5.7 with the employment change exceeding from the forecast of 4.2 to 37.4. Now, from the rejection, I expect to see further weakness towards 73.80 and lower down towards 73.15.25 and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should still find resistance around 60.90 region and a supply zone to that. Interesting to see that the euro did rally overnight but respects the level of 111.70. Now, from the rejection, I'm still holding to a neutral view unless we get a move under the 110.20.35 level, which would reinstate the downside to 107. I still need further confirmation from the dollar index to support a further bullish case, even though the market did rally from 97.26 low to 97.95 and currently trading at 97.72. Well, the dollar yen has rebounded firmly off the support at 110.05.15 and now looking towards a resistance that comes in at 111.70. Sorry, resistance comes in at 111.60 to 111.90.05 and reassess from there. It really needs to clear that level and get back above that 112 handle to support further bullish case. But still lacking evidence from the dollar case, we could still see a return back towards that 110.05.15 level. And if breached, could even see a lower move to 108. Well, the sterling, if you look closely at the picture, we may see now the balls have been caught long after the acceleration above the 130 handle. This was on the back of retail sales, which expanded to 2.3 from a forecast of 1.2. However, the market did not sustain, and now looking back towards this support at 128.70. A break beneath there would give further exposure down towards 128.20 and reassess from there. Any advances above the 130 handle, I still expect to see the markets foul, and another rejection most probably will emerge. Well, the gains from the gold were given up quite quickly overnight and rejects from that 1270 region and now looks back towards the support of 1240. Now, a break beneath there would give further exposure to the downside and bring in a target of 1236, maybe even lower towards 24. However, while 40 holds, then we should not discount a further reclaim to the upside. And to wrap up with oil, the market still looks towards that top side around $49.90 to 50 a barrel, and could actually go up towards 51 before turning around and see a market sell off quite hard. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a great weekend ahead.